Hi, I'm Bob Froke. I'm one of the audiologists here at Midwest Ear, Nose, and Throat. And today I'm going to talk to you about some of the challenges that some of our hearing impaired patients deal with during this pandemic COVID-19 times with being able to understand and follow conversational speech with the challenge of this dreaded mask. And so I just want to go over some of the basics today of just mindful communication and enhancing our, just being more mindful of our communication strategies that we may have with some of our, some of your friends or loved ones that do have hearing loss. Because when you think about it, how the brain uses the visual and the auditory signal when you're talking with someone, when you take away that by covering up the mouth, you're creating another gap. And the person with hearing loss loses some of those cues, and so it makes it a little difficult. And if they're wearing masks too and happen to be wearing glasses, they might have their glasses fog up as well, and that can cause some problems too. So I would just remind yourself to exercise just some good common sense, pause and just get the person's attention first. You may want to speak up slightly louder because it has been proven that use of the mask will dampen speech, and not so much maybe the overall projection of speech, but certain components of speech, like some of the consonant sounds that a lot of our patients do have trouble understanding, where they always tell me that they hear but they don't understand. They're sitting there and they're having a mental debate about, is that peach or teach? Is that time or rhyme? Is that find or kind? Just one little letter that could be muffled could be misconstrued and misinterpreted, and the subsequent communication breakdown. So speaking a little more deliberately, maybe a little slower, as well as a little louder, and getting their attention, and maybe having to rephrase if someone doesn't get it, get the intent of your message first. Just using different words may help make that connection as well. But it's just a challenging time, and I think we're going to come out of these challenging times with the COVID with just better communication skills overall. But if you do have questions or would like to talk to us more about it in the future, feel free to contact us at the clinic here at 605-275-1205. And we'd love to talk to you more.